Ever wondered how network administrators manage and monitor all the devices connected to their network? Well, it's a bit like being a conductor of a grand orchestra, where each instrument, or in this case device, plays a critical role. Network management and monitoring are the sheet music, guiding the symphony of interconnected devices. At the heart of this orchestra sits the Simple Network Management Protocol, or SNMP. Imagine SNMP as the conductor's baton, directing the flow and rhythm of information across the network. It's an essential protocol that allows administrators to oversee and control each device within their network, ensuring everything operates in harmony. But how does SNMP really work? It's all about SNMP enumeration, a process akin to taking roll call of the orchestra members, figuring out who plays what, and how they contribute to the symphony. It's a powerful tool in the network administrator's toolkit. SNMP enumeration, a powerful tool for network administrators, is what we'll break down today. So, what exactly is SNMP enumeration? Let's break it down. SNMP, or Simple Network Management Protocol, is a standard protocol used in network management systems to monitor and control network devices. It's like a language that network devices use to communicate with each other. SNMP enumeration, on the other hand, is a process that involves utilizing this protocol to gather information about network devices. Now you may ask, what kind of information are we talking about? Well, SNMP enumeration can reveal a treasure trove of details about a network's layout, the services available on it, and even intricate details about individual devices on the network. This could include information such as the device's manufacturer, its software version, or even its physical location within a network. But how does SNMP enumeration do this? It's all about requests and responses. An SNMP enumerator, which could be a network administrator or a cybersecurity professional, sends a request to a network device. This request is like a question, asking the device to share specific information about itself. The device then responds with the requested details, providing valuable insight into its characteristics and functionalities. SNMP enumeration is like a detective, meticulously gathering clues to build a comprehensive picture of the network. It's a crucial tool for network management, helping administrators understand their networks better and thus manage them more efficiently. Moreover, SNMP enumeration is not just about gathering information. It's also about interpreting this information to understand the network's architecture, detect potential vulnerabilities, and forecast future network needs. In the realm of cybersecurity, SNMP enumeration plays a significant role as well. Cybersecurity professionals use SNMP enumeration to identify potential security holes in a network, which can then be addressed to fortify the network's defenses. Therefore, SNMP enumeration is more than just a process. It's an ongoing journey of discovery, understanding, and improvement. It's a crucial part of network management and cybersecurity, providing the insights needed to ensure that networks operate smoothly and securely. Therefore, SNMP enumeration is a critical step in the network management and monitoring process. Now that we know what SNMP enumeration is, how does it work? To answer this, let's break it down step by step. The SNMP enumeration process begins with an SNMP agent. An SNMP agent is a software module residing in a device that's responsible for tracking the device's activities and reporting back to the SNMP manager. The SNMP manager, on the other hand, is the main hub where all the collected information is stored and analyzed. It sends requests to the SNMP agents and receives responses, enabling it to monitor and manage network devices from a central location. Now let's talk about the SNMP versions. There are 3 versions: SNMP v1, SNMP v2c, and SNMP v3. SNMP v1 is the original version, which, despite its limitations, is widely used due to its simplicity. Then comes SNMP v2c, an upgrade to SNMP v1. It offers improvements such as enhanced performance, security, and manager-to-manager communication. However, it still has some security flaws, which leads us to SNMP v3. SNMP v3 is the most secure version. It provides strong security features, including authentication and encryption, to protect against unauthorized access and data tampering. Each of these versions have their own unique features. and are used based on the specific requirements of the network. But how are SNMP commands involved in the enumeration process? SNMP commands are the tools used by the SNMP manager to communicate with the SNMP agents. These commands allow the manager to read or write data on the agents, facilitating the exchange of information. For instance, the GET command is used to retrieve one or more values from the agent. The SET command is used to assign a new value to a specific variable in the agent. And finally, the WALK command is used to retrieve a large amount of data, such as a complete table or list, from the agent. By effectively using these commands, the SNMP manager can gather a wealth of information about the network devices, aiding in the enumeration process. And that, in a nutshell, is how SNMP enumeration works. SNMP enumeration is powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. SNMP enumeration is a vital tool for network management and monitoring. It allows administrators to gauge the health of network devices, assess traffic flow, and even identify potential bottlenecks. It's like a window into the heart of your network, giving you the insight needed to keep things running smoothly. However, there's a flip side. Improper use of SNMP enumeration can expose your network to security vulnerabilities. For instance, an unsecured SNMP agent could be exploited by malicious actors, turning your network's strength into a weakness. That's why it's crucial to use secure versions of SNMP and properly configure SNMP agents. SNMP version 3, for instance, includes encryption and authentication features that can defend against unauthorized access. So, while SNMP enumeration is an incredibly powerful tool, never forget the risks it can pose if not used correctly. As you can see, SNMP enumeration is a double-edged sword. It's extremely useful, but it must be used responsibly. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, a critical protocol for managing and monitoring network devices. It's like the control center of your network, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. We've also explored SNMP enumeration, a process that allows us to gather valuable information about a network's devices, like their IP addresses, routing tables, and much more. It's like having a detailed map of your network, providing you with a bird's-eye view of everything. We also discussed the importance of SNMP enumeration, how it can help troubleshoot network issues, optimize performance, and even enhance security. But like any powerful tool, it comes with its risks. Misuse can lead to network vulnerabilities, making it a double-edged sword that we need to handle with care. Remember, SNMP enumeration is a powerful tool. Use it wisely.